Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aries, fire sign. This is January mid-month reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa. So Aries, let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Aries, what are the messages for Aries? Queen of Wands under the deck, fire sign. Yeah, I think Aries, you stand by your power and you are very grounded now and you are very attractive. I think you are taking your power back. Yeah, you bounce back, Aries. So let's see your reading in recent past. Two of Swords, the Tower, and Nine of Wands. I think you are guarded up. Yeah, in recent past. Maybe there is separation for some between you and your person. For some, there is no contact between, because the Tower with Nine of Wands and Two of Swords. Maybe you are at some crossroads. You have to make some decision, but you didn't. That's why the separation had happened for some. For some, your person may be not committed to you. It could be any reason. For some, there is separation. You are going through some tower moment in recent past. And Two of Swords, definitely you are at some crossroads. But you are thinking something about a lot, because Nine of Wands, and you guarded up. Okay, you are not available to anyone emotionally. Okay, right now what's going on? Four of Swords, Nine of Pentacles, and Ace of Cups. I think you are undergoing some healing process. You are not talking to your person right now. Four of Swords energy is thinking about them a lot and undergoing some healing process, but not talking to them. Okay, and because you are now investing your energy on yourself only. Nine of Pentacles energy. Yeah, you stand by your power. You are achieving your goals. Maybe you are concentrating on your career and you are working hard towards your goals. And Ace of Cups, you are loving yourself. Okay, for some, someone new is coming in your life, and some past person is also coming back. Knight of Cups energy. I think if you are in separation, definitely your person is coming back with this love, and I think this time they are sincere. They are coming back, but it is very slow moving energy. Yeah, I think you are listening to their higher self. A High Priestess is here. You are listening to your inner voice, but you are feeling stuck. Eight of Swords energy. When you are thinking about your person, sometimes you are feeling stuck. Eight of Swords. But I think you are achieving financial stability. You are taking your power back. You are in your control. You are very grounded. For some, you are investing your energy on yourself. You are doing self-love. For some, there are two persons coming towards you. One is new person, another one is past person. For some, only one person. It could be your past person. But someone is coming back to you. Knight of Cups energy is here. And this person have so much love for you. The person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air energy, air sign, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, earth sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water sign. So let's see your person current feelings and then near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. Under the deck, the Justice. Yeah, if you are in separation, your person wants second chance. For some, maybe you walked away from your person because there is no equal give and take, no commitment. First, we will see your person current feelings. Aries. Temperance, yeah. Emperor under the deck. Yeah, I think they really want to commit to you, and yeah, they want to offer 10 of Cups happiness to you. They want family with you. And Knight of Swords with Temperance. Yeah, I think they're taking their time to come towards you, because there is no balance in this connection right now, because you are feeling stuck. Temperance, they want to restore the balance in this connection, and you can expect some message. Knight of Swords energy, maybe some communication. Yeah, they want to commit to you. Definitely they have love for you. But Temperance, I think the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius also. they are patiently waiting for the right time to come towards you, okay? Because Knight of Swords energy, definitely they are in so much rush to come towards you, but they are taking the step back because the Temperance, I think they want to restore the balance. They want to take better step towards you, okay? Yeah, they really want to commit to you. Some marriage proposals committing. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Aries. Your person near future actions towards you. 3 cards I'm not taking. See, Judgment. 2 of Pentacles. 7 of Swords. I want one more clarification card. Yeah. They are going to be choose you. They are going to be make decision, because in past maybe your person juggled 2 of Pentacles. Maybe they did something wrong to you. Maybe they lied to you, cheated on you. 7 of Swords energy, miscommunication, false communication between both of you. I think here the communication is the problem. I think there is on and off communication between both of you. There is no continued communication, constant communication between both of you. That is the issue what I'm getting here. But now they are recognizing their feelings for you. Definitely Queen of Cups, they have strong emotions for you, and they are going to be choose you. Yeah, 2 of Pentacles, maybe they are juggling between their head over heart, what I'm getting here, but they're going to be choose you because they're going to make some decisions. The Judgment is here. So the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Sagittarius. Again, Emperor under the deck. Definitely they want to commit to you, some marriage proposals. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. Energy could be vice versa, guys. Take what resonate and leave the rest. See, 5 of Pentacles, separation. Queen of Wands and Ace of Swords, communication. The person involved in this connection could be fire sign. King of Swords. I think Queen of Swords, Ace of Swords. Yeah, communication. I think you both will get clarity about this connection. Yeah, I think they are very attracted towards you because Queen of Wands, there is a lot of passion. Your person also stand by their power. I think you both are very strong couple. Your person may be successful. And the Fool with Magician and Queen of Wands. I think if you let them in, definitely there will be a new beginning in this connection. And Magician, I think you are in manifesting energy right now. Aries, you are manifesting everything in your life because the Fool with Magician, it's your outcome. I think the Fool, you are going with the flow of the, you are going with the flow and you are enjoying every moment in the life. Like you are enjoying present time, okay, present moment, the Magician, and yes, you are attracting everything in your life, you are manifesting everything. So if you want your person back, definitely they are coming back. There will be reconciliation, there will be, because these are the mutual energies, mutual cards. I am seeing reconciliation because now they are feeling very sad for the separation. Maybe they are suffering in silence, 5 of Pentacles. But they really like you because they have strong emotions for you. So for some, only very few, if your person putting in your third party situation, they really played mind games with you. It's up to you because I don't encourage to give a second chance to them. So if you're really, your person is honest with you, only there are small misunderstanding, then it's okay. Then up to you. So let's see your overall energy. Aries. For some, new person is also coming towards you. See, Knight of Wands. 10 of Cups 2 times. Yeah. 8 of Cups. You walked away. I already told you. King of Cups. Yeah, they have strong emotions. They really love you so much. And 8 of Cups, you maybe walked away due to there is no equal give and take. 10 of Cups, but happiness is coming towards you. I think they really want to have family with you. They want to marry you. Marriage proposals are coming. And Knight of Wands. Yeah, there is a lot of passion involved. Your person is very passionate about you. They're coming back with a lot of passion. Maybe in past your person may be in and out of your life. That's why the separation had happened. Let's see your person overall energy. Eight of Cups. Maybe if your person walked away for some, they're feeling regret for that. Yeah, they want celebration, reunion, reconciliation. They have strong emotions for you. Yeah, they're feeling sad for the missed opportunity with you. They really want reconciliation with you. But it's up to you, Aries. Yeah, they're coming back for reconciliation, but it's up to you. You are the decision maker here. So this is, and let's see another messages from Moon Oracle check for you. Next, Aries. Prosperity lies ahead. Wow. So if you are seeing for financial stability, if you're working towards hard for your goals, definitely prosperity lies ahead, abundance coming in your way. This is the message from universe. So new moon in Taurus, especially when new moon in Taurus, you will get lot of prosperity, lot of abundance in your life, and you will attract because you are in manifesting energy, Aries. So this is the reading for you, Aries. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.